This short video will show you how to properly assemble and attach the stool collection device found in your Genova Diagnostics kit. First, put on the disposable gloves. These gloves are for sanitary protection during the prep and collection of your stool sample. Lift the toilet seat and wipe off the surface of the toilet bowl rim. It is important for the rim to be clean and dry as the collection device uses tape to stay securely in place. Unfold the collection container containing 5 flaps until it is flat. Make sure the collection device is lying tape side down before you start to apply. Orient the larger rear flap towards the back of your toilet. Remove the protective covering from the tape strip and adhere the rear flap on the back of the toilet rim. Remove the protective covering from the 2 middle flaps and adhere them to the outside rim of the toilet bowl. Remove the protective covering from the 2 front flaps and adhere them to the outside rim of the toilet bowl. Make sure the collection device is taut and is bowl-shaped. Lower the toilet seat. If the collection device is not bowl-shaped, reorient the flaps for correct positioning. You are now ready to begin your collection. For more information concerning preparation for your collection, please visit us at www.gdx.net/tests/prep. Thank you for using Genova Diagnostics.